Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Chase points to American Airlines. You can't transfer Chase points directly to American Airlines, but there are two ways to use them to book American Airlines flights. Method 1, transfer to British Airways Avios. First, link your British Airways Executive Club account to Chase. Transfer your Chase Ultimate Rewards points to British Airways Avios. Use the Avios on the British Airways website to book an American Airlines flight. Method 2, book through Chase Travel Portal. Go to the Chase Travel Portal, search for American Airlines flights. Redeem your Chase points like cash to pay for your ticket. Use the British Airways transfer method for potential better value, and the portal if award seats aren't available. And that's it. That's how to transfer Chase points to American Airlines. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.